Bongret is here. Hi guys, welcome to Trade with Bongret. My name is Bongret Solomon. Happy New Week everyone, and welcome to another episode of Beauty and a Profitable Week. Okay, you are probably not making enough money in BTC, trading BTC, because you are not following my daily analysis on BTC. Okay guys, if you can see my screen, you can literally see that we are printing money back to back on BTC. It's only those that are not following me on X and those that are not watching my full analysis on BTC on our YouTube channel that are not following up with this update. Okay, you don't have to be scared of trading BTC, because I have made it easier and simpler way. Okay, if you can only come and watch our daily analysis on BTC every day on our YouTube channel or on our X handle, you can always find a way to make money on BTC. Okay, since Saturday we got this trade, and yesterday we got this continuation, and today again we are waiting for another continuation. Okay, these two trades have hit TP, and this is the outlook for today. All right, so don't forget, we are probably going to see a longer video today, because our analysis today will be comprising of both weekly and the daily analysis. So I will start my judgment from the weekly, because today is Monday and the weekly candle just closed, so we have to analyze from the weekly, and then we'll see what we have on BTC for the week and today as well. So let's go to weekly and see what we have. Okay, so don't forget, yesterday when I was doing analysis, this was where I told you that I'm expecting this rejection you are seeing now, that I'm expecting this rejection to get to here, so that we can have a very good what do we call it, rejection block on the weekly here, that will necessitate what we should trade this week. Okay, and you can see how massively BTC rejected yesterday on the weekly, which gives us that bullish move that we got. I don't know if you are getting it. So don't forget, if you are watching the short clip of this video, don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that you can always have full access to the full video. Okay, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow traders and your friends that might be needing it. Follow us on our handles and join our Telegram channel, so that you can be part of our daily analysis, which holds every day on our Telegram channel, 11 a.m. West African time. Okay, so having said that, thank you so much. Let's dive into it and see what we have for the week on BTC. Okay, so if you should check monthly, what I told you guys on monthly is happening gradually. Okay, so what I told you on the monthly is happening gradually. So we might have a very massive rejection on the monthly, meaning that before this month end, BTC might reject up to this zone, which is 67, or probably at this zone 70k. We might see this rejection, or we might see a bounce and then a pullback that will make this month to close bullish, bearish like this, so that next month we can have a bullish candle that will complete this what do we call it, this second bottom on the monthly, as I told you earlier this month. Okay, so let's go down to the weekly and see what the weekly is doing. Okay, so if you come to weekly, we'll still understand the fact that BTC is trying to form another bottom. You can see this bottom here, this double bottom here on the weekly was the one left bottom on the monthly that we have seen already. So BTC is likely coming here, because I told you guys before now that this zone is a very strong demand zone, that if BTC fail to hold on this zone, we'll likely be seeing ourselves around this zone. Okay, around this 48k region. But from price action, it's like Bitcoin is trying to reject from here, so let's watch out. Okay, don't forget, you have to do everything based on confirmation. As a day trader and as a scalper, all your entries and exits are based on confirmations. Okay, so let's see. For me, based on my judgment, I'm still expecting BTC to come and trade at least 50% of this rejection block for this week. So where is my 50%? I'll be marking it step by step, so that you will not get confused. So my 50% of this rejection on the weekly is at 61,200. So I'm expecting BTC to still come back to 61,200 to fill in this, because this rejection is a pool of orders that are not filled. Okay, I'm expecting BTC within this week to come here, pick the orders, or probably 75% pick the orders and start moving up. Okay, that's it for the weekly. I've seen the candle is so bearish, the weekly candle closed so bearish, but the bearishness was on a very strong demand zone. Okay, so experienced and profitable traders buys the red candles and sells the green candles. If you understand what I mean, you really understand what I mean. Okay, so on a general note, BTC is on a downtrend, don't forget that. But you know that we buy to sell and we sell to buy. I'm just spilling out a lot of logics and a lot of wealth of knowledge that we cannot see on the TL, so you have to be taking note of them. Okay, so let's go on the daily. Let's see what we have yesterday. Now if you go to the daily, you will see that BTC have given us what we call a morning star. This is confirming the bullishness of this week. A morning star on the daily, you can see it. Morning star is made up of 3 candles: Marabozo candle, a doji, and the opposite Marabozo candle. So this is a morning star on the daily Okay, so for my daily judgment, I trade a daily judgment candle. My judgment is always based on the daily. I will judge the fact that BTC should still come and trade at least 50% of that yesterday candle, which is here. So as I'm marking it, I will show you when I get to the entry time frame, you will know the reason why I'm expecting that continuation from that first image I showed you earlier. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting BTC to do: retrace here and move up. And I'm not expecting much because of this candle formation here. I'm not expecting BTC to pump much today and tomorrow. The highest I'm expecting is for BTC to come trade on this fair value gap, like give us a week. Okay, possibly tomorrow, then starts falling down because BTC is definitely coming back to trade around this 60 something K region again. So I'm expecting BTC to come trade on this my box, this my fair value gap box, then give us a week. So this thing can happen today. Don't forget, it can happen today and tomorrow. Trade here and then start because BTC need to come and give us another morning star on the daily here within this week. A morning star or what do we call it? There's another candle. I don't know. Oh, spinning. Is it spinning top or spinning bottom? Something like that. Where you will see a bearish candle and another bullish candle in one. What do we call that candle? Okay, maybe if I remember, I will tell you guys. Okay, the only thing is all this formation, you just have to know them. You just have to know how to spot them. But sometimes the names usually leaves my memory. But once I see them on the chart, I know what they represent. This is what I mean. This kind of candle. You see a bearish candle, and then the next candle will be bullish. Okay, anytime you see this on a support zone or a resistance zone, you know the language is speaking. For instance, look at it here: bullish candle, bearish candle. Market continue to go down. This is spinning top, then spinning top or spinning bottom. That's what we call it, something thereabout. So I'm expecting BTC to still come down, but before that, we need to take the high of yesterday, trade inside this at least 50% of this box, then start coming down. This is what is going to happen. This is what is likely going to happen between today and tomorrow. Today is Monday, and our father is not awake yet, so he might wake up to tweet that will trigger this thing I'm telling you now. Okay, so don't forget. So this is what we are looking at on the daily. This the low of yesterday, this is the high. So we have made our judgment for the retracement before the continuation. So let's see what the first hour of the Asian market is doing. First 4 hours of the Asian market is closing in the next 2 minutes. Don't forget. Okay, see the candle we are printing here. Can you see? Can you see the first 4 hours, which is closing in the next 2 minutes? See the candle is printing. So this is an indecision candle. So this indecision candle now can either trigger what I just told you by BTC spiking to the upside to give us a week from this zone, because don't forget this is a resistance zone. Give us a week, then start coming down to come and pick our order for the day before London and into New York session. This thing should happen. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Trading BTC, analyzing BTC, and trading BTC is very simple. It's just that a lot of people used to complicate it. Okay, so now from beginning, this is our weekly judgment where we expect BTC to come. This is our daily judgment. So your entry for the day as a day trader and as a scalper will be within this zone. Now, if you watch, there is a break here. Even on the 4 hours, there is a break of structure here. So wait for this retracement, take your buy, and then don't target anything less than above yesterday high and into this box. It's very simple. It's very simple. Okay, now let's go to 1 hour and see the projection I gave earlier. Can you see it? Can you see that everything is in alignment? Now let me bring my trend line candle. Sorry, my trend line. Look at my trend line. Is in alignment. So for BTC to come and bounce again on this trend line, which we should be hoping that this trend line will hold, we should pick our order. This is a break. Pick our order. This is the order block. This is the fair value gap. In short, everything is intact. Every trader should see this setup and take advantage of it. But don't forget, anytime a setup is too obvious, the market usually manipulates. So that's why you have to be very careful and trade on confirmation. Is that right? Yeah. So I have just given you a signal on what you should look out for today as a day trader and as a scalper. I hope this video you find this video very helpful today. Okay, so I don't know, in case you have any question or any suggestion or any idea you need to give us on our analysis, and if in case you have been making money with our analysis, do well to share your testimony with us on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Okay, today's Monday. You have to be very safe. You have to trade carefully. You have to always protect your capital, because capital protection and risk management is very necessary. Okay, don't forget, risk management is not the same thing as trade management. There's a slight bit different, even though two of them aims to achieve one goal, but there's a slight difference between the two of them. Okay, so thank you very much for watching to this moment. Play it safe. Don't risk everything in the market at once. There's always opportunity to trade in the market. Okay, there's always opportunity to trade in the market. Okay, so if I should mark my entry now, should mark it here, my SL below this place. Yeah, very simple. And then we wish to continue. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I remain my humble self, Bongre Solomon, and don't forget that Bongre is out. See you guys tomorrow in our next analysis. Bye for now. Thank you.